Hi, this is Michelle, and I'm going to go over how I use Screencastomatic to quickly record mini lessons, or I like to call them micro lessons for my students. So let's begin. So you can sign up. It's free to sign up. Sign up with your Google account, or you can do your email, your personal email, and create an account. So I use my Google. And so here's the dashboard. I can, if I want to, save videos and images. I can create folders. I can have channels, and I can delete anything I want. I haven't had any videos saved here because I save my videos on YouTube and on my desktop. So here I launch the recorder, and you can see my little recorder is running down here. Okay, and then once I want to record the video, I just click on recorder, and then I can, so I had just paused and then I restarted it, and then when I'm finished recording, I will upload that recording to YouTube, and I will show you what my YouTube channel looks like. And so here are some of the recordings I've done in the past. This one was the ones I've done recently for some students on how to create a word art. And the nice thing about YouTube is it shows me the number of views and how long ago I did it, or how long ago it was actually viewed, so that it gives me a sense of how useful a video is for my particular students. Okay, so now I'm going